Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, in the last chapter, chapter number 11, we have learned about the force and pressure. And in the last chapter, I used the term force of friction. It means you have already read about the force of friction. Now, in this chapter, we will learn more about this force. This force we experience in many of our activities in our daily life. For example, roll a ball on the ground. Does it come to rest after some time? Yes, it comes to rest after some time. This shows that some force must be acting on the ball. It means कि उस बॉल के ऊपर कोई ना कोई ऐसी फोर्स है जो काम कर रही है, जो उसको स्लो कर रही है, विच मेक्स द बॉल स्लो डाउन. दिस फोर्स इज कॉल्ड द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. ठीक है जी, दिस फोर्स इज नोन एज द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. इट मीन्स वी कैन डिफाइन फ्रिक्शन, द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन is that force which opposes the motion, जो मोशन के that force means that working against the motion. Hence it means obvious that this force must be acting in direction opposite to the direction of the motion. ठीक है जी. So force of friction means try to stop a moving object. Force of friction tries to stop a moving object. हाँ जी. Now one more question. What else can the force of friction do? What else the force of friction do? Let us I will telling a activity. Suppose a heavy box is on the floor and you are applying the force to move it. ठीक है जी. But the force is very heavy. You have to apply a large force. Sorry, the box is heavy. You have to apply a large force. And friction acts opposite against the force. ठीक है जी. Initially you are not able to move the box, but after some time when you apply sufficient force to overcome the force of friction between the box and you, the box starts moving. Hence it means the force of friction acts in opposite direction to the direction in which the object tend to move. If you push from left to right, the force of friction acts from right to left. If you push from left to right, then the force of friction occurs right to left. ठीक है जी. The force of friction is that force which opposes the motion. If you push the object left to right, frictional force from right to left. ठीक है जी. Now what is the cause of force of friction? Cause of friction. All surfaces have irregularities. For example, your shoes have irregular design on the lower side. Tires have irregularities in it. So smooth surface have fewer irregularities and rough surface have more regularities. When two surfaces are in contact with each other, the irregularities on the two surfaces interlock and produce friction. ठीक है जी. When two surfaces come in contact, when two surfaces come in contact with each other, the irregularities on two surfaces interlock and produce friction Next, what are the factors that affect the frictional force? What are the factors that affect the frictional force? So students, there are two factors affecting frictional force. There are two factors. Number one, the nature of the surface. The nature of the surfaces in contact. ठीक है जी. The rougher the surface, जितना ज़्यादा रफ होगा surface, the greater will be the friction, the weight of the object. Second is the weight of the object. The heavier the object on the surface, the greater will be the force of friction. Now next, friction in our daily life. Friction in our daily life means advantages of friction. Advantages of friction. What are the advantages of frictional force? Number one, it would be impossible for us to walk without friction. It is because of friction between our feet and shoes and the ground we are able to walk by pushing our feet against the ground. Without friction we would slip as soon as we try to walk. It is very difficult to walk on ice or on a smooth surface and a polished surface or a polished floor. This is because friction between our shoes and these surfaces is very little. It means advantage. The first advantage is it helps in walking. It helps in walking. Second, cars and buses are able to move. Car and buses are able to move. Cars and buses are able to move safely on the road because of friction between the treaded tires and the surface of the road. Treaded tire means the grooves that are present in the tires. Students, tires of ordinary cars have grooves to increase the friction with the road so that the car does not skid on the road. Tires of racing cars are smooth to reduce the friction so that they can go faster. Such tires are called slicks. So this is a difference between treaded tires and slicks. Here grooves are present. Here grooves are present in the tires. Here smooth tires. Next, third advantage. Brakes on cycles or cars work. Brakes work due to the friction. Brakes works due to friction. When brakes are applied, the shoes of the brakes rub against the wheels. The friction between them reduces the speed. And this means brakes works due to the friction. Next, it would not possible to light a matchstick. We would light the matchstick by rubbing it against the matchbox. If there was no friction, then we are not able to light up the matchstick. Helps in lightening matchstick. Helps in lightening matchstick. Then fifth, helps to write on a paper. Helps to write on a paper. We are not able to write on the paper if no friction is there. If friction is there between the pen or the pencil and the paper, then we are able to write. Similarly, your teacher would not be able to write on the smooth blackboard. ठीक है जी. And the last, friction causes nails and screws to hold the walls. Friction causes nails and screw to hold on the walls. To hold on the walls. Now student, if friction has advantages, it must also have disadvantage. ठीक है जी. Friction also have disadvantage. And what are the disadvantages of the friction? Disadvantages of friction. Number 1, it causes wastage of energy. Wastage of energy. How it causes wastage of energy? Because any object that moves has to overcome the force of friction. Any object that moves has to overcome the force of friction. Second, friction causes wear and tear out of the rubbing surfaces. It causes wear and tear of surfaces. Students, you have seen that your father, your brother has changed the tires of the car or other vehicle after some time, because the tires are weared out due to the rubbing against on the road. ठीक है जी. Similarly, the soles of your shoes also wear out in a few months and you have to change. फिसलने लगते हो आप. ठीक है जी. The moving parts of a machine wear out with the time because of friction. Then next, friction generates heat. It generates heat. Sometimes this heat may be harmful. The heat produced in a fast moving vehicle is very high. ठीक है जी. Proper arrangement have to be made to cool the machine, otherwise it can damage. If the cooling arrangement in a car does not work properly, the engine get jammed. ठीक है जी. The engine get jammed. हाँ जी. Next है minimizing friction. How we can reduce the friction. How we can minimizing or reduce the friction. Friction is due to roughness of the surfaces. So any process that makes the contact surfaces smooth will reduce the friction. Any method that make the contact surfaces smooth, it will reduce the friction. First by polishing. Polishing a rough surface smoothens it and it reduces the friction. Second, by lubrication. ठीक है जी. फ्रिक्शन इज डिक्रीज्ड बाय लुब्रिकेटिंग द सर्फेसिस विद ऑयल, ग्रीस. ठीक है जी. और ग्रेफाइट. पाउडर्ड ग्रेफाइट इज यूज्ड एज ए लुब्रिकेंट. द स्लाइडिंग सर्फेसिस देन हैव अ थिन लेयर ऑफ लुब्रिकेंट बिटवीन देम. द फ्रिक्शन इन देम बिटवीन डिक्रीजेस. ठीक है जी. सो इट ऑल्सो मिनिमाइज द फ्रिक्शन. नेक्स्ट, by streamlining to reduce fluid friction. By streamlining to reduce fluid friction. By streamlining to reduce fluid friction. Students, fluids, for example water and air, also exert friction on objects that are moving in them. Since frictional force that fluids exert on the object is called the drag. One important point. What is drag? The frictional force that fluids exert on the object. Frictional force that fluids exert on the object. That fluids exert on the surface is known as the drag. ठीक है जी. It depends on the nature of the fluid. This drag depends upon the nature of the fluid, the shape of the object, the speed of the object. ठीक है जी. Friction is minimum for a streamlined shape. What is streamlined shape? Narrow at the front and broad at the bottom, like the shape of the aeroplane, the shape of the bird, shape of the boat. ठीक है जी. So nature has given birds and fishes streamlined bodies. The bodies of aeroplanes, missiles, rockets, these are streamlined to reduce the friction with the air. ठीक है जी. Ships also have streamlined shapes to reduce the force of friction. So this is the friction, students, force of friction, advantages and disadvantages of friction, how we minimize the friction and friction in our daily life. I hope you like the topic. Please try to remember it, to understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.